Hey guys, this is how to send payment request on Payoneer. So guys, watch till then as I discuss you a step-by-step guide, and I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to Payoneer and log in into your account. And after that, just simply click on Get Paid in the main menu and just simply select Request a Payment. And from there, guys, if you have a new account, you need to verify your account first and just simply provide some valid ID and provide the necessary information to proceed. And after that, guys, from there, you should be able to enter the payment details. You will add the payer's name, email, and country. And just simply provide the information about your payer name and just simply provide the payment amount. And from there, guys, you can also attach an invoice if you have or supporting document if you want to make it more professional. And from there, guys, you can just simply click on preview to view the email that will be sent to your client. And from there, you can just simply click request payment to finalize it, and you can send the payment request. And from there, guys, they will receive that request and they should be able to take action on it. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.